Well, welcome everybody to Lookie Dare. I'm your man, Pa.
And I'm Ma, and we have another nice home for you today, folks.
This is the Commodore Landmark Limited out at D&J Homes in Richmond, Indiana.
And this particular home is 3 bedrooms with 2 baths. Square footage is 1387.
How do you like the red, Ma?
Well, I'm not a real big red person, but this is a nice burgundy red, which I really like. And then, if that's not good enough, the white shutters and white door, it just complements the red quite well.
I agree. Yeah, I never thought I'd be a big fan of red, but like you said, it's burgundy.
Mm-hmm.
I kind of like it.
Yeah, I do too. It gives a little bit more character.
I'll say. Got lots of windows on the front there, Ma?
Oh, yes, and you know Ma likes lots of light. That's funny because this side looks real red. But as you know, it's not really bright red. Oh, this is nice. On the back, it has sliding doors, 2 windows, a water faucet, a receptacle, and a dryer vent. Is that a... Wait a minute, Paul. Is that a window at the top up there? So that makes 3 windows now?
I lost count. That sounds good to me.
Guess I gotta get my fingers and toes together here so we can do some counting.
Yeah, when you have more than 2, it gets confusing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and we have another door here, Paul. That's nice. Yep, I like it.
I like the roof pitch on this house, too.
Mm-hmm, quite nice.
Oh, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification.
And don't forget to tell your family and your friends. They'd love to see this one, I know.
You ready to go inside this one, Ma?
I am.
Let's do it.
Oh, would you look at this?
Oh, come on in.
Oh, I'm liking it so far.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. First impressions are great in this one.
Mm-hmm. Wow, look at all that light coming in through the windows. Wow.
Look at that island, Ma.
It's nice. With 2 nice pendants hanging over the island. Living room size is 17.7 by 12.6. Ooh, I like that little built-in in between the 2 doors. I like that.
Yeah.
Gives it a little character, doesn't it? I like the floor.
Me too.
And we have Whirlpool appliances, white cabinets on one side, and dark cabinets on the other.
Got a window over the sink there, Ma.
Mm-hmm. Whirlpool appliances. But you know, Ma, she wants that farmhouse sink. Look at those cabinets. The white cabinets really go really well with the dark cabinets on the island. And it has a built-in microwave. I like that. So what do you think those 2 doors are, Pa? What do you think?
One goes to probably laundry room.
I don't know.
Pantry. Wow.
Wow, look at this.
That's a nice sized pantry.
Mm-hmm. What's the other door, Pa?
Laundry room. pantry. It's got two pantries.
Wow.
Can you believe that, Ma? Two pantries.
Wow.
Nope, wait, it's one pantry.
One. Wow.
This house is full of surprises.
Mm-hmm. Wow. Do you think maybe that's his and her doors?
For the pantry?
Mm-hmm.
You're going to banish me from one of the doors?
Mm-hmm. And the nook size is 7/8 by 12/6. And I like the sliders there.
Yeah, perfect for outdoor kitchen right there, Ma.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that looks really nice from here.
Yeah, I really like it.
Mm-hmm.
You got drywall.
I like that. Bedroom number 1 is 9/8 by 12/6. Ceiling fan light there, Pa. How about that?
There wasn't one there yet, but there will be.
I know, that's what I said. I'm reminding you.
Oh.
And we have 6 panel doors there, Pa.
Oh, it's got a Honeywell smart thermostat.
Nice. Bedroom number 2 is 9/4 by 12/6. And did you notice we have vents in the floor?
I noticed that.
Mm-hmm.
I also like the ceiling height in this house.
I like that too. Oh, and there's where our back door was, Pa, on the side
Mm-hmm.
from our laundry room, which is great.
We got some cabinets right next to the washer and dryer area.
Mm-hmm.
Their electrical box.
Mm-hmm. I just thought of something, Paul.
What's that?
With that back door right there, I'm going to go outside and hang my laundry.
Okay. Here's your furnace. And there's the water heater.
Man, it looks like we're in the hall bath now.
Oh, it's got a window in the hall bath.
Oh, I love windows over the tub shower combos. I like that.
I like it too.
So we have one light, one mirror, and one sink. I like that countertop color. Master bedroom size is 13/4 by 12/6. Nice size windows there. The nice part about this home is it all has neutral colors inside, and you can bring your own colors.
Yeah,
You can do your accent wall behind the bed, right, Pop?
that's correct.
We have 2 sinks, 2 light fixtures. Looks like we have 1 large mirror. Yeah, I do like that countertop.
I like it has the same floor in this bathroom as it did in the kitchen.
Mm-hmm. Here's the master closet.
It's a decent size.
Mm-hmm. On this master, we have a tub shower combo.
Oh, there's a closet in there Joe missed.
Did he?
Yeah, he did.
But that's okay. He did really well today. Thank you, Joe.
Thanks, Joe.
Yeah, this particular home shows really well.
You can fit a bunch of chairs under that island.
Mm-hmm. So, Paul, what did you think about this particular home?
I really, really like this house. I was very impressed with the kitchen, especially that pantry. Did you like the pantry, Ma?
I did. I love the pantry. I love that it had sliding doors off of the dining room area / nook area.
Oh, yeah.
I really liked it. And I just like the colors on the inside where I can bring my own. But I was really impressed with the color on the outside.
Yeah, me too.
Doesn't that surprise you, Paul?
Yep, surprised me because it surprised me that I surprised me.
Oh, Paul, you're hopeless.
Okay.
So I'd really like to give a big shout out to D&J Homes in Richmond, Indiana. Give them a call and they can talk to you about this particular home or any of the other homes that they have on their lot. Just give them a call. They'd be glad to hear from you.
Yeah, they were great people and they had a whole bunch of houses. You could spend all day. We could probably spend 2 days out there. They have so many homes.
Yes, and they have some great employees that work there as well.
Yeah. So you ready for the price on this one, Ma?
Yes. Let me have it, Paul.
And the price is...
Nice.
But what about you folks? What do you think of this house? Don't be afraid to leave a comment.
Yeah, that's a good idea, folks. Let us know what you think.
Now, we are not salespeople.
No, we are not.
We're not even affiliated.
We most certainly are not.
We're just people who enjoy touring these homes.
And you know what else, folks? We like taking you along with us.
Thank you so much for watching and have a great rest of your day.
And don't forget, we love you, and we will see you on our next adventure, folks.
Bye.
Oh, would you look at that?
Lookie Dare are not salespeople. They're not even affiliated. They're just here because they love touring these homes. See a sales consultant for current prices.